Hello friends! Today we're going to learn how to draw a structure of nephron very easily by using some alphabets and symbols. So, here we need an inverted C, an inverted U, then an alphabet C, alphabet U, an inverted symbol of question mark, and a shape of tree trunk. So let's get started. First we'll draw an inverted C to make capsule of nephron. Then draw an inverted U like this. Now, we need to draw alphabet C. And then a long U shape to make loop. Here, we're drawing another shape of inverted question mark. And finally, the last shape of tree trunk. Like this we are drawing collecting duct. Okay, now we can draw blood vessels like this. It's pretty easy to draw vessels, okay? When you've drawn blood vessels, then come to next step, which is the labeling part. The first one is cup-shaped Bowman's capsule. Near to it is proximal convoluted tubule, while the question mark's shape is distal convoluted tubule. Here you can learn it has D equals distance, D equals distal, because it's located at a distance to Bowman's capsule. Then long U-shaped loop of Henle. How can I memorize its limbs? One is coming down, D equals down, D equals descending, while the other one is ascending. So guys, come up to the last part, which is collecting duct in a shape of tree trunk. Hopefully you've enjoyed drawing structure of nephron with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more videos. Bye.